and we are back. And today we're gonna make two things. And I have a friend with me, actually my oldest, Hunter.
I'm Hunter.
So we're gonna start with the taco chicken. So I have 2 pounds of of chicken meat over here, cut small pieces. It's already cooked. So we're gonna add So we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of chopped onion.
So here's some of the chopped onion. We're just gonna add that into the water.
No, into the chicken.
Never mind.
Yes, chicken. Go ahead. All right, very nice. And then we're gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Some garlic powder. You can kind of just sprinkle that over top of the
just actually, you know what? Why don't we dump it? It'll be a little faster. And
you want to distribute the spice throughout the whole chicken so it kind of sizzles in with it.
Next, the cumin.
Okay.
We have a teaspoon of that. And then we also have a teaspoon of the chili powder.
Why, thank you.
Oh, thank you. And then we're going to take 1 cup of water, pour it over top, stir it up, turn the heat up a little bit, and let the water evaporate. All right, while he's doing that, next we're going to move on to our whole wheat mac and cheese. So I use a little different pasta because that's what I had, and we're quarantined and there's really nothing in the grocery stores pasta wise. So we're gonna have Hunter help me with this.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna layer it. I'm gonna start by layering it. So
Sure.
you're gonna put a layer of pasta.
Grab with my
Just
hands.
1 layer of pasta.
Just 1 little layer.
Yep.
I need a lot more than that.
So you have 1 pound of pasta we're working with, 3 cups of milk, and I have 18 slices of cheese. So we're gonna go ahead, lay this down. All right, go ahead and lay another
You want to see
layer.
that real quick?
Very nice, nicely done, Hunter.
Very nice.
Put this over top. All right, and put the next layer on. We'll
Got
put
it.
the rest.
Got it.
Go ahead and dump it in.
Yes, yeah, just dump it.
Thank you. And I put that in a 9x13, and I did coat it with some Pam spray so it doesn't stick. I'll put the rest of the milk. All right, stand by. We'll be right back. And we're back.
Yep.
So there we have the taco chicken. The mac and cheese is in the oven still. I will take a picture of that and post it. So the next time we're gonna make turkey breakfast sausage, which is one of my all-time favorites. It's really good with broccoli. You can make it just crumbled or you can make it into patties. So everybody stay safe and we'll see you next time.
Have a good one.